Academy. Welcome to Biotech Academy. Today we can discuss about joint CSIR UGC. This is a national eligibility test for JRF and lectureship and assistant professor. This is the June cycle. So what is the notification we can see in this session? So this is the information bulletin about CSR net, vision, mission, core values, and this bulletin given some of the contents which are related to the exam. Introduction about NDA, joint CSIR UGC net, eligibility criteria, details of the examination, facility for PWD candidates, physically handicapped candidates, and registration and application process, admit card, instructions, and what materials which are used for the application process, practices, process, declaration, and general miscellaneous provisions, and query system. Let's see one by one. Some of the abbreviations which are used in this application process and bulletin. So these are the abbreviations you can find out. So important information and dates which are given here. So this direct online link given, and the duration of the date of the application process. 10th is the last date of application process, and fee payment. General 1100, OBC 550, SC and ST 275, third generation which is 275, and PWD is nil. There is no fee for them. So name of the examination, the corrections, city centers, and all the details which are given in this, and this is also check it. And the date of the examination, so date of the examination they are giving on 6/7, and 6/7 and 8. And some of the steps which are while we are applying to the exam application. So these are the steps you have to follow. Registration, online submission, email should be there, and email and application, photo size, every details, and what is the net payment, credit, and UPay also we can use. And these 3 steps are very important for the while doing the application process. And this all information about application process, COVID pandemic precautions while on exam, you should follow. This is about NTA, National Testing Agency, and which is association with the CSIR UGC. About fellowship, they are given some information. So Indian citizens are eligible for the test. About at least 55 marks at least you should get for this examination. And this is the test for JRF, lectureship and assistant professor. About junior research fellowship, Stephen, some of the details given here. So Stephen 31,000 they are offering Stephen for the PhD scholars. So JRF for 2 years, so SRF for 2 years, and RA 1 year. So December exam, June examination schedule details are given here. So before going application process, you should read this information bulletin, then you can get a better idea how to do application process. So eligibility criteria for MSc graduates, equivalent degree should be there, integrated BS, BSMS 4 years, BTech, B Form, MBBS with the equivalent 55%. General also can, general at least you should gain 50% of the marks in your academics. And obviously third gender persons and person with a disability candidates also can apply. This exam is yearly twice conducting.
స్టార్ట్ చేసావా?
The upper age limit for this is for JRF 28 years, and upper age limit the relaxation they are giving 5 years. For example, 28 plus 5 years, you are eligible for 33 years for SC/ST candidates, and OBC candidates, and female relaxation of the age limit for females 3 years for OBC candidates. For lecturership there is no age limit. Lecturership and assistant professors there is no age limit. What is the mode of the examination? Complete details of the examinations they are given. So mode of the examination, it is a computer based mode of the examination. And what are the patterns of the question paper? The pattern of the question paper is so complete for the different subjects are the chemical science, earth science, atmospheric, ocean, planetary science, life science, mathematical science. These are different branches of the examinations. So thus Biotech Academy complete focuses on the life science. So life science, so how many questions? There are 145 questions are there, total questions. Part A 20 questions, part B 50 questions, part C 75 questions. Part A 20 questions, out of that 15 questions you have to answer. So each question has 2 marks. Each question has 2 marks. For negative For each wrong answer, negative marking is 0.5. And part B is 50 marks, 50 questions. Out of that, 35 questions you have to attempt. Out of that, each question has 2 marks, and then for negative marks 0.5. But see, 75 questions they will give. 25 questions you should attempt. 25 questions, each question 4 marks, and each wrong answer, one negative answer, 1 mark is negative marking for one answer. The total 200 questions, 200 marks for CSR exam. So you have to focus on negative marking also there. So this exam for negative marks, and focus on this negative marks and complete correct triggered answers. You have to pick up that while doing on the examination. So complete focus on this. So pattern of the question paper. So question paper pattern is 3 sessions. Each session has 20 questions. Part A 20 questions, part B 50 questions, part C 75 questions. So total 145 questions, total marks 200 marks. So part A and part B has negative marking 0.5, negative marking for each wrong answer. Okay, and part C has 1 negative mark, one wrong answer, 1 negative mark. So 25% of deduction for each wrong answer. And this so what we discussed on lab science pattern, that is everything in this one. And subject code for lab science is 703 for life science. So our biotech academy complete focuses on life science and life science subject. Syllabus for the test you can download by using this link and go through the syllabus. Syllabus is a key element for the cracking of the exam. Then everything comes under that. So physically handicapped challenges. So this is the information for person with a disability. So next this is the details about person with disabilities and instructions for the online, how to apply for the online application. These are some of the instructions. Follow this instruction and for the completion of the application process, then go for the application process. So keep all the documents aside, then start filling, uploading of the images, every information they will give in this bulletin, and once you read it, then go for the filling of the application process. So admit card, before admit card, so every time you have to be check it at the website whether the admit card information given or no, and you have to every time go to the website and check it out. They don't give any further information about admit card download. There is no personal messages or sending to your email. You directly browse from your device. So malpractice is not allowed, strictly prohibited to the examination hall. So declaration states, some of the states are given for the examination. So based on that, So in Access, you can follow the Access clearly going to the before filling of the exam application. SCST format certifications also you have to. If you are pursuing MSc also you have to take the permission from your academic institution signatures, and that you have to send to the NDA. Says the question palette which are displayed on screen. How it is that how to understand is given details about question computer, because this is the computer based test, so everything you should know about before going to the exam. So red marks, green mark, violet marks, what it indicates, that you should know it. So be aware it first all these things. So duration of the exam, left right arrow marks, navigation, questions on screen, display board. So this all will give the visual keyboards. So this all you should know about it. So application process, how to do that application process by using new registered candidates can go through that. Click on the new registration, and fill that application details, your details, then go for that. So there's categories, all these details you can fill it and submit, and next you will, before submitting you should check whether your details are correct or wrong, then click green submit, then you will get a OPT to you. So you should agree all the terms and conditions by the declaration. Before that you can check name, date of birth, father name, mother name, gender, address, mobile number, email ID, everything you can check it. Submission of the registration form, and next payment process, and the confirmation email address. After the payment process you will get confirmation email to your mailer, then you can check it, and your email verification. And save the events, then you will get the save of the form. Okay, this is that how to know about the information bulletin. Thank you for watching. Keep update, everyone keep update our channel. So every information related to the MET we are giving on our YouTube channel. Thank you.